Hi, my name is Katrina Alexander, and this is DIY, a lava lamp, an interactive advanced concept presentation, module 2. For our do-it-yourself lava lamp, you will need several materials. You'll need an empty water bottle filled with about a quarter filled with water, vegetable oil, food coloring, color of your choice, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet, or a couple that you'll need on hand. So for our procedure, you'll start with your water bottle, about a quarter full with water. Next, you'll take your vegetable oil, and then you will fill the vegetable oil to the top. Once that is added, you will take your food coloring, and I think it says on the video to add 8 up to 8 or 5 to 8, but you can add as many as you like to get the effect that you want for your lava lamp. And once you have added the food coloring, you can start by breaking the Alka-Seltzer tablet into a couple of pieces. And then start by adding a piece at a time to watch the reaction. Okay. And now you can see the bubbles being produced once the Alka-Seltzer tablet, or which contains sodium bicarbonate, is contained in the Alka-Seltzer tablet. It reacts with water and releases carbonic acid and then carbon dioxide, which combined with the colored bubbles and pushes the bubbles towards the top. We'll do a couple of more. And now you can see that they are really bubbling. I'm getting the effect that I want. I don't want to overfill it. I saved a little room at the top just for that reason. And once the bubbles are pushed towards the top, they're popping, they release the air, and then they sink back down to the bottom. So that is the effect that we wanted with our lava lamp. And this concludes my experiment for today. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to explain my observations and concepts of experiments. So once I poured the water or the oil into the water, the mixture separated, and of course that's due to the difference in density between water and oil. As we know, oil floats on water due to it being the lighter density or the lesser density. The food coloring mixed with the oil and floated to the top of the water, having the lighter density as well. We added the Alka-Seltzer tablets and dropped them to the water, creating the carbon dioxide bubbles, which I explained earlier. This gave us our chemical reaction where sodium bicarbonate reacts with water. You get your carbonic acid, and then from that point it further reacts to produce water and carbon dioxide. The bubbles attach to the colored water and propel the droplets towards the top of the lava lamp mixture. And once the bubbles released, the gas was released, the air popped, and the colored water or bubbles drifted back down to the bottom. The production of CO2 is limited by the amount of sodium bicarbonate, which is our limiting reagent in this experiment. And and then you could add more Alka-Seltzer, which would continue to produce the reaction, but when our sodium bicarbonate was, the amount was finished and you stopped adding, the bubbles were finished, as you can see right now. The bubbles have settled, and most of our mixture has kind of settled backwards toward the bottom. All right, thank you.